Please click the subscribe button to stay tuned. This video I'm going to be very quick, so because I have things doing, but these setups are okay. There are four there, but let me check. There are 4 setups, so you put your eye on them. As the week goes by, I'll drop more. But for now, these setups we have seen, and it's the same strategy we use. It's just the same strategy. We stick to our strategy. We accept our losses, but what we know that we win more. Like we watch. If you're in my Telegram channel, I told you that Forex is like a game of probability. But if you have the skill, if you have a skill, you know that you're going to have a higher probability possibility of winning. It's just like tossing a coin. If you have the skill of tossing a coin, bringing out the head. So even when you have a toss and bring out the tail, you know that all you need to do is to toss more. You're going to bring out more heads. So just how Forex is. If you have a strategy that works 90%, so even though you have losing trades, what you need to do, keep taking those setups. Keep taking those setups. At the end of the day, you're going to win. You take 100 trades, you're going to win. You're going to have more wins, and your account is going to grow. So, and all you need to, and the next thing you need to do is how to manage your phone. Do you understand? You don't follow videos you see using 100 lot size. Those things are a demo. In real life accounts, you manage your phones. What matters is compounding. Even though you're using 0.01 and you keep taking your setups, at the end of the year, you're going to make a profit that no banks will pay you. No banks will pay, even though you're using 0.01 and being consistent with your setups, and you have a 90% win, you're going to make a profit that no bank can pay you. So take your mind off quick money by using high lot size. By so doing, you're messing your trades up. 0.01 is okay, 0.02 is okay, 0.03 is okay, maximum 0.05. As a retail trader, if you want to increase to 0.20, then you should actually be ready. Be ready to have to sit tight, and there is how you can trade with high lot size like 0.20, but what that means is that you have to sit and monitor. Your exit point has to be very close to your entry point. When you use a high lot size, it's more like taking a high risk, so you should be aware of that. Your entry point must be very close to your exit point. So once it push back, you close. You get my point? But I don't advise that. I don't advise that. Use lot size you're comfortable with, because most times the market can pull back a little, now still go towards your direction. Okay, like I can take like once I see my setups, I use 0.01, I take it. Once I see at the end of the day, those ones that goes bad, let it go bad. But what I know is that my winning is going to be more. I don't panic when I'm losing one trade. My next trade, I don't panic, because I know my winning is going to be more, and my take profit is high. So why am I panicking? So that's just it. A lot of people panic in Forex because they're using a lot size they are not comfortable with. Use 0.01 and win more. You're going to live on that, believe me. So let's move on. AUD card, this is setup, the same setup. Okay, you can see the trend. You can see the power cross. The market moved, and when you see after the power cross, the 3 moving average separates. Okay, which stands like the moving trend line. Okay. Now, market came, but I'm concerned about the structure. A lower low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low. This couldn't create a lower high. It went and retested the previous high. So I'm interested in that. This setup, there is a struggle here. You can see there is a struggle here. And what happened? We can see the struggle here. It came down, we tested the previous low, we tested the high again. So this is a good setup. Okay, a break above, you enter. A break below, you enter. I think that's simple. Forex is simple. It's simple. Most times you are reading too much, you're analyzing too much. You need a mentor that has a track record. If you're having issues, you feel free to contact us in our Telegram channel. Okay? Feel free to contact us in through our WhatsApp channel. We will guide you through. You know, a lot of you are struggling because you are using too many strategies. Stick to one strategy and try to understand, try to fix the puzzle, because you might have a good setup, but if you don't have a good entry and exit points, you might have a problem. That's why we have what they call daily drawdown and monthly drawdown. So you should actually try to use a lot size that will not give you a high daily drawdown. Okay, so let's move to the next. This is a UD card. Okay, look at it. Let's move to the next pair. British pound card. Okay, the same thing. Market broke out from here, made a low, made a high, broke the low, made a high, broke the low, broke the low, made is a lower low, a higher low. Yes, came made a low here. We tested the previous high, couldn't make a lower high. So I'm interested in this setup. Okay, I'm interested because what the next possible thing, if it breaks here, it's going to go up. If it breaks it, so that's how we trade. Let's move to the next setup. New Zealand card. You can see the trend coming down smoothly, and you can see the counter trend movement. It countered the previous movement by not being able to create a lower low, made a higher high. We tested the previous low, couldn't create a lower low. So I'm interested in this setup. It's a good setup. If it breaks above, buy. It breaks below. That's how it is. Okay. If you have issues in how you set your stop loss and how you set your stop loss and how you let me know. How you have issues how you set the stop loss and entry, kindly let me know. Okay, let's move to the next. Okay, the next setup is USD card. Okay, so this is it. After this low, this setup we tested the previous high, couldn't create a lower high. Remember, this is a downtrend. Lower low, low high. This high is lower than this one. This couldn't create a low. This we tested this level, a rejection. So if you go to a one hour time frame, you're going to see the market structure very well. So these are the 4 setups I'm looking out to trade. So you look out to trade. If you don't know how to trade, feel free to contact us. We're going to guide you through. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.